Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to microbiology. In today's topic, we will study difference between exotoxin and endotoxin. Before going to explanation, if you want to watch the same lecture in Urdu Hindi, I already upload the same lecture in Urdu Hindi on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. But if you want to watch in English language, then this video is for you. Now today our topic is difference between exotoxin and endotoxin. There are 9 differences between exotoxin and endotoxin. First, exotoxin is protein in nature and endotoxin is lipopolysaccharide in nature. Lipopolysaccharide, why it called lipopolysaccharide? Because endotoxin is formed by two components, lipid A plus polysaccharide. Therefore, it is also known as lipopolysaccharide. Now, exotoxin is protein in nature, endotoxin is lipopolysaccharide in nature. Second difference, exotoxin is both pathogenic and immunogenic. But endotoxin, lipid A component is toxic and pathogenic, and polysaccharide is immunogenic. Meaning endotoxin, the lipid A is toxic and pathogenic, and polysaccharide component is different. It is immunogenic. Mean polysaccharide only stimulate the immune system, immunogenic, and lipid A have two characteristics. Number one, it is toxic. Number two, it is pathogenic. But in exotoxin, both properties are present. Mean exotoxin in both pathogenic and immunogenic. The third difference, exotoxin is heat labile. Heat labile mean exotoxin breakdown start at 60 degrees centigrade except Streptococcus aureus. Mean exotoxin is heat labile, mean its breakdown start at 60 degrees centigrade except Streptococcus, which breakdown is not start at 60 degrees centigrade, and Streptococcus is that bacteria which cause food poisoning in our GIT, gastrointestinal tract. Now the endotoxin is heat stable at 800 degrees centigrade. Mean and exotoxin is heat labile and endotoxin is heat stable at 100 degrees centigrade. The fourth difference is exotoxin release both gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Mean both gram positive and gram negative bacteria release exotoxin, but endotoxin release only gram negative bacteria. Mean endotoxin is released only from gram negative bacteria, not from gram positive bacteria. But except there is one exception case. There is 1 gram positive bacteria which release endotoxin, which name is Listeria. This is an exceptional case. Mean whenever endotoxin is released, it will be released by gram negative, except 1 gram positive bacteria which is unique, which is Listeria. But exotoxin is released by both gram positive and gram negative bacteria. The fifth difference is exotoxin release and move away from bacteria. When exotoxin release and it move away from bacteria. For example, when tetanus bacteria release exotoxin, this exotoxin move away from bacteria and reach to wound site. But endotoxin release only when bacteria lysis occur. Here we add one additional difference. We can say exotoxin release from living cell and endotoxin release from dead cell. Mean when the cell lysis occur of bacteria, mean the bacteria will be dead. And mean exotoxin release from a living cell and endotoxin release from dead cell. The number 6 difference is exotoxin is more toxic, endotoxin is less toxic. The 7th difference is exotoxin different in different bacteria. Exotoxin is different in different bacteria, but endotoxin is same in all gram-negative bacteria. Mean exotoxin is different in different bacteria, but endotoxin same in all gram-negative bacteria. The last difference, exotoxin can use as a toxides, but endotoxin cannot use as a toxides. Now, what is toxides? When we remove the toxic domain from exotoxin, then this exotoxin, when we remove the toxic domain from exotoxin, then this exotoxin we use as a vaccine to stimulate antibodies. This exotoxin from which we remove the toxic domain and use as a vaccine to stimulate the antibodies, this exotoxin is known as toxides. Now, exotoxin can use as a toxides, but endotoxin cannot use as a toxides. These are the differences between exotoxin and endotoxin. Now today we studied the difference between exotoxin and endotoxin, its nature, its pathogenic and immunogenic property, heat level, heat stable, release from gram positive, gram negative, and more toxic, less toxic, use as a toxide, cannot use as a toxide. Now today our topic is complete. If you like my video, press the like button and share this video with your friends. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button and also press the bell icon to open all notification for receiving my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.